Access to higher education should not depend on borders or circumstances. The African Higher Education in Emergencies Network is helping universities support refugees and displaced learners to access quality education and real opportunities. Lecturers from the University of Juba, Hope University Africa, City University of Mogadishu, Koitalel Samoei University College, and the University of Nairobi came together to rethink curricula and adapt courses for delivery through open digital learning platforms. Over the course of a one-week design sprint facilitated by MDF Eastern and Southern Africa, participants collaborated, worked hands-on, and shared ideas to explore new ways of making higher education more inclusive, flexible, and future-ready.
I've learned a lot because even in my own classes that I take physically, I can also use this Google Classroom to make my points across.
Alors, il fallait apprendre les techniques, la méthodologie et toutes les manières possibles pour dispenser ces cours dans de bonnes conditions afin de permettre à nos étudiants réfugiés et déplacés d'acquérir la matière d'une bonne façon et que ça soit toujours en ligne.
The most important of this workshop is that we as a refugee, when they are structuring their courses and what are the barriers the refugees are facing.
So I am so thankful for this workshop because it has opened my mind and my eyes to know that beyond what we usually do, there is another skill that I had to add to my knowledge.
The workshop has been key in preparing us as lecturers on how to teach, digitize the materials and how to interact with the students, how to give them assignments.
What first touched my heart is that there are some people who really think of the goodwill or the well-being of refugees. Because in some people's mind, they think refugees are not people to be given opportunities.
Sur les Google Classroom, afin que les étudiants qui sont dans les camps de réfugiés puissent avoir accès à ces cours et voir comment nous allons commencer à dispenser ces cours en ligne. Raison pour laquelle, en regardant comment est-ce que l'atelier s'est passé,
I come to realize that the lecturers have that effort of giving out to the refugee or teaching the refugees, although it is online, they have that effort of they are interested in giving out the knowledge.
We were able to learn about how we are going to do our assignments and how we are going to be very interactive with these students.
I would like to appreciate MDF for having organized this a wonderful training. And for us as lecturers, it goes even beyond dealing with the refugee students because we can even extend this to some other students. And above all, we've had an opportunity to interact with members from different countries and different universities.
This design sprint is a small but powerful step towards expanding access to learning and creating opportunities for those who need it the most.